Basic Human Resource Management. Human Resources Management, or HRM, is the process that consists of planning, attracting, developing, and retaining the human resources or employees of an organization. When we say human resource planning, this means a strategic plan and a job design. Attracting employees is through recruiting and selecting. Developing employees through training and development and performance appraisal. Retaining employees through compensation, maintenance, labor relations, and separation. Now let's talk about human resource planning. Planning for the future personnel needs of an organization, taking into account both internal activities and factors in the external environment. Human resource creates a job design or a job description, usually done prior to recruitment. This is the process of describing the work that needs to be done by an employee and specifying the requirements needed in fulfilling the job. Attracting employees basically means recruitment, development of a pool of job candidates in accordance with human resource plan. Its purpose is to provide management with enough candidates from which they can select qualified employees. After recruitment, there is selection. This is the mutual process whereby the organization decides to make a job offer and the candidate decides whether or not to accept it. There are 7 steps in selection. Number 1, the job application. Number 2 is the initial interview, then testing, then background investigation, which you shouldn't forget. Then there's the final interview, the physical exam, and then the final job offer. The human resources is in charge of developing employees. Once the employee is hired, they go through an orientation. This is a program designed to help employees fit smoothly into an organization. Training, a process designed to maintain or improve current employee performance. Development, a process designed to develop skills and attitudes necessary for future work. Performance appraisal. This is the process of providing feedback to subordinates regarding their performance on the job. This can be informal. A formalized appraisal process is used for rating work performance, identifying those deserving raises or promotion, identifying those in need for further training. The human resource also designs a retention program for employees. Compensation or the payroll, the adequate and equitable remuneration of personnel for their contribution in the achievement of organization objectives. Labor relations entails recognizing the validity of unions, negotiating for the collective bargaining agreement, and being able to handle strikes and other form of mass action. Maintenance, the process of providing the following services to the employees: career counseling, safety and health programs. Also involves the minimizing of absenteeism and tardiness. Separation, the process of reintegrating employees to society. This entails the following: employees should not be terminated for unjust cause. A retirement plan must be provided for old employees as an aid when they leave the company. So based on this presentation, you have an assignment. Number 1, list the areas where your company needs to improve in terms of HR. Number 2, make a proposal to improve the HR. Number 3, as part of the human resource team, where do you need training? And number 4, check all job descriptions of the present employees and see if it fits the actual jobs of the employee.